Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Today I just want to show you guys some things that I recently got from Dollar Tree and Michael's and Five Below. So the first thing I want to try out are these little stamps. They're little plants and feathers, and what I want to do is just put a few of these around on this page. I figured this is the end of my journal, so it's going to be, well, maybe this page, near to spring. So we're going to use sepia ink on this one. Though I could use color ink, I suppose, but I've already got my sepia ink out. So let's do this. Right here. Hopefully it works. I've always wanted to get one of those presses that they have, but I don't know. They're so expensive. It looks good, except I needed more pressure in spots. So, let's see if I can do another one at the top. I hope you're all doing well. I went off the page a little bit there. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. It's very chilly again here. We had the whole weekend with our daughter Bethany, and we had a lot of fun. Visited our son and grandson came over to say hi. Oh my gosh, look at that. Maybe I can try again. Ugh. Can you see how it did not line up? Let's see if I can try it. I think I'm in the right spot. There's something, something under there. I don't think there was before, though. Well, it looks better, but it's still lighter there. Maybe I'll try doing this one again. It's always better, I think, to stamp on pages before you put them in the book. I think it works better. Did I get that on right? I think I did. If it looks gross, I can always cover it up. That looks better. It looks... I didn't get it lined up quite right, but it's okay. And I think that's all I'm going to put on that one for now. So I have a couple of ephemera pieces. Let's get this out of the way. Actually, I also wanted to show you this paper pad. I got this from Michael's the other day for $4.99. It's so pretty. Do a quick flip through. Pinks and are my favorite, the pinks, but there is another favorite too in here. There's the cut apart page. This one I like. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love that one. That one's pretty. Not my favorite. I always don't know what to do with these. If you had a Cricut, you could put a saying in there. Or if you, this is another one that I really like. You could, if you can write neatly, you could write something in there. That one's really pretty too. More cut aparts. Butterflies. Looks like there's two of every, that's a pretty one. Design, two of every design, and they're only one-sided. That one's really pretty too. That would make a pretty wallpaper. This one's gorgeous. And we got some blue. Alright, so anyway, yeah, if you know how to write really well, you could just write inside there and then hang it up on the wall. I also got this notebook. I think I got it from Dollar Tree, and I just thought it would be a good glue book or collage book because I like to have the spirals for my collage books. So there's that. This one I will put down as a pocket. These are all just wall borders. So let's just make a pocket here. And maybe I can put a strip of washi tape across the top. There. Was your weekend? This is Monday as I'm filming, February 10th. We won't be seeing Bethany again until the 16th, so we kind of did our little Valentine stuff yesterday. I somehow want to cut this apart, and of course that little tag I had, oh there it is. This was one of those little magic washcloths. She likes to get those every once in a while. I was thinking about making this something that can move and putting pictures of Bethany under it. And, you know, whatever I want to put in the pocket, I can do that. I have these 3 washi tapes, and I thought it would be cute to maybe put one across the top, but I think I'll put the hearts. And I also think I need a glue. Of course it's going to rip on me. Alright, so I had to put this washi tape on because I could not get this one to work right, but maybe I will. This is why I don't like to film when my husband's home. I can hopefully use this, but not. I'm going to have to work on it. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is poke a hole through here and then here where I want it. And I think I'll put it below. And then it will, yeah, that's okay. If it's a little bit below here so we can read it. And it's okay if it's on top of the pocket because we can move it out of the way. Got this little tiny button brad that I hope you can see. Is it so cute? And I gotta get some more. I've run out. I had all different sizes and colors, and I've had them for like since 2016 probably, or 17. And so that's there. So I might cover that up with something. But so we've got this. And then I'm just going to put a picture of Bethany down under there. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. This doesn't have a hole in it. Maybe I'll just put it as a decoration on here. I think I will. It's easier. And I don't think we need 2 interactive elements in one layout because they would be such similar elements, you know what I mean? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is get the pictures of Bethany that I want to put under there and do that, and I'll come back and see what else we might do, if anything, today, because I do want to put something in the pocket too. Maybe we'll make a pretty pink tag to go in the pocket, and then I can you know, I'll have my grandson on the 13th, and I'll be giving him his Valentine's that day, and we can put some of him in there. Oh, that would be perfect page for Valentine's. So, and then hopefully my daughter, who will send me pictures of kids opening up their Valentine's that I had to mail. Okay, so this is what I have so far, and I just move this out of the way, and we'll see the picture of Bethany there holding her Valentine candy. And now we'll make a tag.